corresponding button. Please insert payment now.
So Mom don't like wax on my truck.
Please wait while you... Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly.
This ain't each. Don't get too far on the right, Dad. Soft gloss max 5. Don't get the truck too far on the right.
Not even matched.
Oh, stop. Oh, walk up in the blasters. Red flashing lights. Oh, the same program. Right. Oh my gosh, got a color soap. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Got my color soap. I'm gonna start with a top brush, the same program. And no boom. Oof, shaking on my car. Soft. Oh, the double top brush pads. Oh, no burning in. Now the top brush won't spin. Freshwater rinse. Now we got a freshwater rinse on my truck. Now it says clear coat sealant. Clear coat sealant. It says clear coat sealant. It's no colorway wax. Nope. He did. There's no colorway wax.
No colorway.
So Mom don't like a wax. Just rinse.
Another rinse coming.
Yep. I hope it gets spot-free rinse on my car. Or a double pass of rinse cycle. So many rinse paths. Oh, no, another rinse pass. The drawer's not going yet. It's a stop.
And rinsed again.
A double pass of rinse. So many rinse paths.
That's 3, isn't it?
4 pairs of rinse. So many rinse pairs. This is
It
crazy.
got stuck
Um,
on rinse.
hope we get a spot-free rinse. It's a lot of rinse pairs, so don't get soap on the car. So don't get the soap on the truck.
Nope, here goes the dryer.
Spot-free rinse. Wait for green light.
Let's start our time before we can go.
Wait for the green light. It says start. It says start. Wait, it says start. Now let's go. Go. There we go. Yeah, so many rinse pairs. Oh my god. Mom don't like wax on a truck. Double pairs of rinse. Quarter pairs of rinse. And we got all select the wash package. Soft Gloss Max 5 is by Ryko. Manufacturing by Ryko. Ooh. Ooh. Dang! The dryer sensor's off. The dryer sensor is off. Yep, they censor it. It's all cleaned. I select all the wash packages. Yay! Including a double top wash pass for all wash packages. So NA stinks for Reggie.